Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. I'm aboard Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Sea along with Roberta and Jake. I'm going to give you guys a full tour. This is an inside room. We're on deck 6. This is room 543. We're going to head in right now. Here we go, guys. I'm going to give you a nice in-depth tour of this room. Actually, I just walked in the room a few minutes ago for my regular vlog and just kind of did a little overview. So I haven't really investigated this room, so we're going to be able to do it together. Want to remind everybody to please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. First thing you want to make sure is this is your main power switch. So this is on, make sure that's on, and that's off. This controls all the power in the room. We got our thermostat here. It's all the way down cool, and it's pretty nice in here. We're going to leave it right there. We got a full-length mirror right here. And first thing is bathroom. Remember, on every cruise ship I've ever been on, there's always a lip for the bathroom, so be careful you don't, whoopsie. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. We got our toilet here. We got some towels. We only have a couple, so we're gonna get more because there's 3 of us. No, that's a bath mat. That's the bath mat. A couple face cloths. So we'll need one more set of towels, which we'll get from our stateroom attendant. We have not met yet, so we do have some hand soap here. A little drawer for storage. Couple glasses, little storage area here, some hooks, move it right along, little trash can, probably just extra, a little trash can there too. Okay, and here's the shower. So they do this kind of like it's a body wash combo shampoo. Of course you can bring your own, but they don't have the little bottles anymore like they used to. And this is that will come off, so this is a hand, you can use it by the hand. Does not slide up and down. Some of them they do have where this can adjust. This one just looks like one height, but you can pull it off and use it, you know, as needed like that. And it does have this nice door, so that's kind of convenient. And yeah, it's basic. Little rack in there, couple hooks. I don't see a little clothesline on this one. No clothesline, but couple hooks for sure. Let's go right in. Some more hooks here. So lots of hooks in the bathroom. Very nice. And I can see here this is a little beat up, but you know, what are you gonna do? Couple more hooks. This little, put like your phone or whatever while you're doing a few things. A couple more shelves as we work our way into the room. Let's spin around here. We got a safe. We've got some shelving here for storage. And we do have the closet. Kind of odd that it only, yeah. And then you'd have to come all the way over here to open it again. So yeah, that's a little odd. It's because I got a couch right behind me, which I'll show you. But lots of hangers in here. Definitely extra hangers. Another shelf here. More storage here to use. Okay, not too bad. That's good. We're here for 4 nights. That'll be fine. As I spin around, I wanted to show you that couch. Again, inside room, so we have no window, no balcony, but this will be fine for us. It's a more affordable way to cruise. If you don't spend a lot of time in a room, like us, we basically just come in the room to, you know, shower and sleep, because we're off doing stuff. As you know, if you follow Medling World, all the things that we're doing. More storage here. Okay, let's see, we got a nice chair. No drawer for the main drawer there. And this, of course, is some of your entertainment. You're going to find all your paperwork. It does have a radio, looks like. Wow, this is cool. Oh, for Apple. Don't have it. If you have an old school Apple, you could charge your phone in there. And then, of course, you got your refrigerator. Some more drawers. Probably the hair dryer. Yep, hair dryer. Good for, I don't know. There's none that... I don't see one where you could fit a laptop, and I do have my laptop because we'll be vlogging and working on those things, so we'll have to kind of just leave it out. But enough room for a laptop. Some art with a light. By the way, I have all the lights on, so this is, you know, with the camera, I'm sure it's a little brighter. It's a little brighter for me than probably what you're seeing on the camera, but I do like these. I don't know if they're supposed to be falling out like that. Guess not. Yeah, but okay. But these you can just off and on. All right, I'm going to head back to the desk because I want to look at the outlets there. But what do we got here? No outlets here. No outlets here. This room is a bit dusty. I'm going to be honest. It's a bit dusty. I'm noticing some dust here and there. But, yeah, not the end of the world. But yeah, this should be, I'm getting a little picky, but that should be in there a little bit better. And some more. Let's see if there's an outlet on this side. Nope. I don't see anything there, no. But let's head back over here. And these are the outlets here. So it looks like no USBs. Wow. Oh, this is great too. On the TV, it shows you everything going on. As well as the paper cruise compass. Guys, right here, these drop down. So actually you could put 4 people here. These drop down into it's almost like a bunk bed. They fold out. We're on deck 6, so we're kind of forward, so we're above the theater, kind of. So I'm interested to see how that goes. But anyway, that's your tour of the room. Guys, I did just want to show you, before I get into the review, this is what it looks like when the bed is pulled down from the ceiling. There you have it. All right, guys, so that was the room tour. Now here's a quick review of our experience in the room. So yes, we were on deck 6, the interior room. First thing I want to say is interior room for us worked out great. It was an inexpensive way to get on a cruise ship. We only really used the room. We're out and about, as you can see on our vlogs. We don't spend a lot of time in a room, so it was really just to clean up, shower, and sleep. And sleeping was great on an inside room because there's no outside light. So it's just constantly the same, darkness, or turn on the lights or turn them off. That's it.
And actually the bed was one of the best beds from Royal Caribbean. If you guys watch our other vlogs, Royal Caribbean, they have very hard beds.
Their beds they're a mattress that's pretty stiff. This one was stiff, but not as
stiff as the
other. It was better. We all slept great.
Yes,
all 3 of us slept really good. How about the room location, Roberta? I thought the room location was great. What did you think about it?
It was very good, being right outside of Vitality in CAF. So, and right on, one deck above,
Promenade.
So I think it was a great location for us. The only time we'd have to take the elevator would be to go to the pool deck.
That was it?
Yes.
Because Vitality Cafe, as you said, was on deck 8. The Promenade is deck 5, and then there was a few things on deck 6 that we would go to. So we barely had to use elevators except, again, to go to Windjammer or the pool.
Yes.
And how about noise, Roberta?
So yeah, I think there's a couple negative things about the room that we need to talk about. Noise, it didn't bother us.
No.
But if you take a nap during the shows, or if you're sleeping during the shows, like the Mommy, it was an afternoon, something like that, it gets a little bit. You can hear a little bit, but the vibration, you could feel the vibration.
Yeah, because our room was the theater was right below us.
Correct.
But that was what was below us. Above us, I think, was just more rooms.
Yes.
So
you could feel the vibration. So if you take a nap during the shows, or if you're trying to sleep and sleep, or if you have kids with you, that's something you have to keep in mind on it. Outlets, not a lot of outlets. I think.
No.
I think Matt didn't show it was just one under, there was a couple under where the computer desk, where I used the computer desk. I could find the outlet for the computer in there, and an international outlet as well.
Good. Yeah, I might have missed that.
Yeah. But on the top with the new plugs, they are large. You can only fit 2 at the time.
Yeah, even though it is 3, you kind of had to move things around because it was so close, right, Roberta? Good point. And it happened a few times.
The closet, it's kind of hard to get in and out, but it's not a make it or break it.
No.
But and the room it's a little bit outdated. It's a little bit outdated, but again, nothing that it's going to.
No, I mean, overall, we did enjoy having a room, but everything has positives and negatives, and that's how we vlog. We show you all the things that look at this, and then we also say, hey, these are some of the things that, for us, and again, our opinions, only our opinions.
We did not hear any noise from the neighbors.
No.
Any noise from the neighbors.
Good point. No noise from neighbors, no noise above, just a little bit from that theater was really the only noise.
Yes.
I think that can wrap that part up, but don't forget, we have a ship tour coming out.
Yes.
Full ship tour of Allure of the Seas.
Yes.
And actually, we're going to be recording after this. Allure of the Seas, the good, the bad, some comparisons, what we liked, didn't like. We'll start comparing it to some of the other cruises now that we've have, I think, about 7 different cruises that we've done on our channel.
Yes.
So, and then, you know, we're getting ready for our next cruise, already starting to plan it. So, as soon as we have one booked, we're looking. We're going to make that announcement. So, guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!